Wisconsin voters are going to the polls on Tuesday, casting the first ballots in a year that's going to see a lot of big elections. The only statewide contest on Tuesday's ballot is for Wisconsin Supreme Court. Justice Daniel Kelly, an appointee who is seeking his first elected term, has two challengers, Dane County Judge Jill Karofsky and Marquette Law School professor Ed Falone. So we're looking ahead to Tuesday's contest with our editorial partner, J.R. Ross, editor of WisPolitics.com. He's at our Madison affiliate, WKOW. J.R., always nice to see you. Let's get right to it. Who are you seeing as a front runner?
Well, if you're judging it by money and ads, the front runner is Daniel Kelly, with Jill Karofsky second place, and then Ed Falone distant third. And the reason I say that is that, Kelly has outraised both of his opponents combined so far. He's nearing $1 million raised. Karofsky's a bit back, less than $500,000, and Falone's in a distant third. And why that's important, I know people complain about money in politics, but that money buys you opportunity to get up on the air and to get ads out there. I mean, people like you and I, your viewers, we know who these candidates are. We're paying attention to politics. The average voter doesn't really know Daniel Kelly or Jill Karofsky or Ed Falone. So being up in the air is important. Kelly was up there first, end of January with a TV ad. Karofsky got up there about a week later. Falone's yet to run anything, and that kind of tells you about the resources that they have and how they're trying to be able to introduce themselves to voters who may not be paying that much attention to this race just yet.
When I talked to Falone, he said that he's trying to be the independent and that he doesn't want to run attack ads. Do you think he has a chance without that name and face recognition?
It's a very, very, very narrow path, but I never rule anything out in politics. And maybe the best thing going for him is what's happening in Milwaukee. He was endorsed by Block, which does turn out ahead of the February primary. That might help him. You're looking at contested primaries for mayor and county executive. That might boost turnout in Milwaukee. That might help him. But he's got a couple strikes against him. Like, beyond the money, voters in Wisconsin typically like somebody who has judicial experience when it comes to voting for Supreme Court. We've seen it time and time again. Falone does not have that experience where Jill Karofsky and Justice Kelly do. So that's a barrier for him. But again, his best bet might be a really robust turnout in Milwaukee, and give him credit, he's been out there traveling the state and doing events, that work somehow pays off for him, and he can find a way to be the second place finisher and get to the primary on Tuesday.
What about a last-minute influx of money? We've seen that happen in races in the past. Could you see that happening for the Supreme Court?
No, I think the impression I get is that the outside groups are really holding their fire until the April election. I'm not seeing a whole lot of independent groups playing in this primary so far. Yes, we've seen a couple groups file smaller independent expenditures for turnout or mail, but nothing really big, not the big TV buys. And it looks like what they're looking toward is April. And that April election is going to be important because control of the court's not at stake in April. But for liberals, if you want to have a chance to retake control of the court, you have to win in April to have a shot in 2023 to then take the court, because then current Chief Justice Pat Roggensack is up for re-election. She's in her late 70s right now. That would be the time then you'd have a chance to flip it for the first time in more than a decade.
And the top two vote getters, like you said, they move on to the ballot in April, and that could bring a whole new set of challenges for the candidates. Talk about that.
Yeah, so Kelly, he's got a lot of a big money advantage. He's running more ads. Kelly wants to run up the score on Tuesday. He wants to have the strongest performance he can have, because he wants to drive a message of him being in a powerful position. I mean, we've seen three-way primaries before for the Supreme Court where one candidate hits 52, 53, 55%, and he can say, hey, this race is really mine to lose because I am in this powerful position just out of this primary. The challenge for Kelly is this. We are looking at an April ballot that right now looks like it's going to have a contested primary for president on the Democratic side and not the Republican side. If that happens, it's a very difficult environment for Daniel Kelly. Go back to 2016. There are 1.1 million votes cast for president on the presidential primary on the Republican side. Then conservative Justice Rebecca Bradley got 1 million votes. On the Democratic side, 1 million votes cast. Joanne Klopper, the progressive candidate of that race, got about 900,000 votes. The turnout was driven by the top of the ticket in the presidential race. So if you have a contested primary for president, that means a lot of Democrats going on, or on the Democratic side, that means a lot of Democrats voting. How does Kelly overcome that turnout disadvantage?
We'll both be following it. J.R. Ross with WisPolitics.com. Thank you.
Anytime.
You'll see nonpartisan local races on Tuesday's primary ballot. Two in Milwaukee. Mayor Tom Barrett is seeking his fifth term. He has three challengers: State Senator Lena Taylor, Alderman Tony Zielinski, and Milwaukee native Paul Raske. Milwaukee County voters will narrow the field for county executive. The candidates on the ballot seeking to replace outgoing county executive Chris Abele are State Representative David Crowley, State Senator Chris Larson, County Board Chairman Theo Lipscomb, and nonprofit founder Purnima Nath. The top two vote getters advance to the April 7th general election. Next, the race for president in Wisconsin, who will be on the April primary ballot, and why one candidate is shut out.